Welcome to the first of a new series on what it's like to live with a Classic Mini. In this series, each month I will go through the total costs and the things I did to maintain and keep my Mini, hopefully, running and fit and healthy. I'll be going through the purchases of tools, parts, consumables such as grease and oil, as well as delivery costs. Jobs, go through some cleaning, some installing of parts, as well as fixing, and most likely show you where I break things to. So for June 2020, let's go. Now, a car search in Canada mostly starts, for classic cars at least, on the Kijiji website. Kijiji was my best friend for a while, whilst I was searching and scouring as much as I could, trying to find as many Minis to go and see, with obviously the aim of purchasing a Mini in a good condition. You can see here, a quick search shows that there are 9 ads. Now, I actually live in the Greater Toronto area, so if we were to narrow down that search, you'll see that there are only 3 Classic Minis for sale. Definitely a premium to be paid for purchasing a Mini in Canada. You can see the prices from $4,000 up to $19,000. However, I did find one. I found one at what I thought was a good price, and here it is. It's a 1994 JDM Classic Mini, imported into Canada. You can see it's a Mini Classic 35. It does have some Cooper detailing on it, which I will be and have removed. It has some incorrect badging on it, which is on the to-do list. And the wing mirrors and their location actually growing on me. All in all, was in very good condition, minimal rust, a few bumps and lumps here and there. The interior of the car isn't original. You can see here it's got new or replaced vinyl covers, but the dash may be divisive, but I actually quite like it, and it is an air-conditioned car. The first fix I did was a relay for the engine management system, an easy job. The second repair was to the right rear passenger side trim. This was damaged, so all I did was cut a new piece out from thin ply, covered it in vinyl, and reinstalled. First adjustment I did to the car was to remove the steering extension. Then I gave the car a deep clean. Outside, inside, and you can see some before and after shots here, including the engine bay. I think it came up pretty well. My first mistake, quite an expensive one. I love these 6x10 ultralight deep dish alloys, and they look fabulous on the car. However, even turning the car around in my driveway, the wheels were rubbing against the arches. The car is in too good a condition, in my opinion, to cut the arches, and so I went and did some research and will be buying some 5x10s. So to summarise the June 2020 spend analysis, you can see that I spent $2,143.19, mostly on parts, but look at that cost for delivery. Very expensive to get things delivered here to Canada, especially as a UK car, and most part suppliers are in the UK. The parts fitted analysis, you can see that I have fitted the ultralights and the front brake disc conversion kit. You can see a separate video on my channel. The only parts left not installed are small serviceable items that I'll be doing as part of general update and maintenance. Didn't actually drive the car at all in June, didn't fill the car up at all, so no fuel efficiency. Yet to come, registration and insurance. Canadian insurance companies do not like Brits with not much experience in Canada. So that's it. That brings the June 2020 Living With vlog to a close. Till next time.